Canon R5c, video capabilities of the Canon C7iii kind of slapped together here. RF 5.2mm f2.8 dual fisheye lens. All right, cool enough. You're probably like, so what's any of this got to do with the R5c? I agree with Tony Northrup. I think that the R5c is going to be perfect for this lens right here. The R5, of course, it would be fantastic for this lens too. The 8K that you need for VR. And by the way, can I just point out that pivoting to talking VR, someone looking at me crazy, but no, look where we are. Canon is in the VR game. I had no idea it was coming. I can't pretend like I was an insider. However, I do know that VR tech, I don't believe that is tech that's going to die off or phase out like 3D TVs and 3D tech did. Or 3D TVs did. Not really 3D tech per se, but 3D TVs, and try to make that go mainstream. That's tech that can come back around, and VR, the future's here, is here now. But this puts Canon as the only ones doing VR in the field. Sony, Nikon, Pentax, they're not touching VR right now. So Canon's all over that with this headset, and I do believe that that would be a nice pairing. They recommend putting it on R5, so R5c built for video would be a fantastic pairing for that. The 8K with the 60 frames per second. You know, we love 24 frames per second. I'm in 60 right now, give or take. I know I might be dropping some frames, but in VR, you want your higher frame rates, you need your higher resolution. And of course, the industry, they never love to give any credit to porn. Has shown us just how great 180 is. It's just, you know, a good time without all the scents and smells. Anyhow, for my workflow personally, I did a video, I remember what it's like 2012. Let's look at how long it takes to go from video to stills mode or vice versa here. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi. And okay, so the 8 to 9-ish Mississippi, we're done right now with running gunners and running gun filmmaking. That is not happening. This camera will be fantastic if you're doing a slower narrative piece, depending on the documentary, sure. To family, kids photos, weddings, like I do, like 8 to 9 seconds is a lifetime, eternity to switch between stills and photo mode. So the R5c isn't for that, but the R5 is a whole lot faster, but R5 also overheats. The R5c has a very useful fan on it for just such a situation as overheating. However, I see the point of it for VR. I do agree with that. And obviously, I really like VR.